In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable extensions and plugins in Google Chrome. This is a quick and useful process to know, especially if Chrome is running slowly, a website is not loading correctly, or you want to temporarily turn off an extension without removing it completely. Disabling an extension can help you identify whether a browser add-on is causing a problem, and it only takes a moment to do. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the menu area at the top right. Once Chrome is open, look toward the upper right corner of the window. You will see the extensions icon. This icon gives you access to the extensions currently installed in your browser. Click the extensions icon to open the extensions menu. A small panel will appear, showing the extensions available in Chrome. In that panel, find the extension that you want to manage. Then click Manage Extension. This will open the settings page for that specific extension. On the Manage Extension page, you can disable the extension by turning off its toggle switch. When the toggle is turned off, the extension will no longer run in Chrome, but it will still remain installed. This is helpful if you want to test your browser without the extension, or if you only want to stop using it temporarily. If needed, you can return to this same page later and turn the extension back on at any time. That means you do not have to uninstall anything unless you want to remove it permanently. Disabling is a safer option when you are troubleshooting or making small changes to your browser setup. As a general tip, if you have several extensions installed, it can be useful to disable them one at a time. That makes it easier to figure out which one may be affecting performance or causing a conflict with websites. It also helps you keep better control over what is active in your browser. That is the full process. Open Google Chrome, click the extensions icon in the upper right corner, select Manage Extension, and turn off the extension you want to disable. That covers everything you need to know.